Stoicism for modern success. In a chaotic world, Stoicism offers hope. Navigate life's complexities with resilience. Born in ancient Greece, Stoicism is relevant today. Master emotions, don't suppress them. Use reason to overcome challenges. True success lies in inner peace. Focus on what we can control. Stoicism offers enduring happiness and meaning. Your toolkit for a fulfilling life. Stoicism is a philosophy of self-mastery. It helps us understand our place in the world, navigating life's uncertainties with grace. Focus on what we can influence and accept what we cannot. This frees us from unnecessary worry. Strive to be our best selves, cultivating wisdom and courage. Where true power resides. Stoicism teaches us true power lies in our internal state. Cultivate an inner citadel of strength. Our thoughts have immense power. They shape our emotions and actions. Control your thoughts to control responses. Embrace challenges for growth. Cultivating growth and clarity. Bringing Stoic principles to life requires consistent effort. Journaling helps us gain clarity and track progress. Mindfulness means paying attention to the present moment. Gratitude shifts our perspective and cultivates contentment. Your journey to a meaningful life. Embrace the Stoic path. Throughout history, many have found strength in Stoicism. From Marcus Aurelius to modern entrepreneurs, Stoicism helps overcome adversity. Its beauty lies in its timelessness and universality. Stoic principles guide us with resilience, purpose, and inner peace. The journey of Stoicism is lifelong. It's about learning, self-reflection, and living our values. Embrace challenges for growth and live with purpose. Like, share and subscribe for more on self-improvement and Stoicism. Turtles get there too.